wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mirrorless cameras for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Samsung NX300 is the latest offering from this brand. Although it's slightly outdated, it has enough redeeming qualities to make the list. For example, the 20.3 megapixel sensor does do well in low light, and its compatibility with 3D lenses is a rare offering. It shoots 1080p Full HD video, however the screen is not touch sensitive, and the price is high for the lack of features. At number 9, for the curious amateur on a budget, the EM1 is a viable option, although there are drawbacks. The automatic setting works well, but because most of the controls are located on a confusing touchscreen interface, shooting in manual mode will be difficult when you advance. It does have 4K video capabilities, but its white balance system is poor, and the sensor is only 20 megapixels. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Newbies who love their smartphones will find that the Canon EOS M100 makes the transition to real photography smoother. A majority of the menu settings are accessible through the large tilting touchscreen, and you can upload images instantly via a built-in Wi-Fi connection. It comes with an automatic pop-up flash, however it's not compatible with many lenses, and the lack of external knobs is annoying. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mirrorless cameras for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Nikon 1J5 is a decent bargain with a lightweight retro design that's stylish, and its small 20.8 megapixel sensor won't seem lacking to novices. Although it can't shoot in 4K, it can record Full HD 1080p videos, which is still the industry standard at the moment. It uploads via a Wi-Fi connection and is equipped with fully rotating touchscreen controls, but it tends to overheat quickly. Moving up our list to number 6. If you've got a bit more money to spend, the Fujifilm X-T20 is worth the investment. With an advanced auto-focusing system that tracks moving subjects, continuous shooting at 8 frames per second, and an intuitive control layout, this model will charm budding photographers. It includes an external microphone jack and both a viewfinder and touchscreen. It produces sharp images even in low light. Halfway up our list at number 5. For those looking for a bit more versatility when it comes to framing their images, the Canon EOS M50 has both a viewfinder and a fully rotating LCD touchscreen. Its strength is a fast and accurate auto-focusing system, but its weakness is extra-cropped 4K videos. It captures details very well and features a slow motion effect. This one works best for stills. At number 4, not only does the Olympus OMD E-M10 Mark II feature a retro design, its prominent external knobs complete the old-fashioned vibe. The lightning-fast autofocus delivers sharp images, and the built-in 5-axis image stabilizer is great for those who may not own a tripod yet. This one's in the Micro Four Thirds system and offers touchscreen help to rack focus. Its menu options can be customized too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Although there are newer models in this series, the Sony Alpha A6000 has all the essential features, but is available for a much lower price. Capable of shooting Full HD 1080p video, it boasts a very high ISO range, so you don't have to worry when the sun begins to set. It comes with a particularly fast autofocus, Bios X technology that captures details, and an easy-to-use control wheel on the rear. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mirrorless cameras for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, anyone planning to shoot videos should opt for the Panasonic Lumix GX85. It captures smooth 4K at a fast rate of 30 frames per second and has image stabilizing technology built into both the body and the lens, so you can still experiment while you develop a steadier grip. It processes files in RAW format and takes a wide range of lenses. It offers comprehensive selection menus. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Fujifilm X-A5 is capable and compact, with a cute retro design to boot. It has 4K video, a great automatic shooting mode, a rotating LCD touchscreen, and an extended battery life, so you can take it on vacation as learn as you go. It's equipped with an advanced auto-focusing system and a macro option. It sends images via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mirrorless cameras for beginners, or simply click beneath this video.